Hey friends, we'll be seeing about how to create a zip file and how to extract zip file. Friends, do you know what is zip file exactly? It's basically a document in which you can insert many documents. Many of you don't know what's the benefit of zip file. Let's see how it's done. Just I'll show you the benefits. Creating a rough folder, creating 5 files and for example for your to just get into your brain. Suppose these are 5 files and it's of 10 MB each. 10, count now, just count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's 50 MB file. And for this, you'll just go to right click in the mouse option, new zip file. This is a zip file. Just select all and you have to just drag and drop. No need to for any course for just this simple direct see 10 20 how much 50 MB file in just single zip file. Now it's easy for the opposite. If when you email this in Gmail, it simply just a single file and you'll see a multiple files in it. Click right click over here, and if you want to extract it, just go right click over here, extract to new zip file. Means if someone asks you to how what's this, then he downloads it and then you have to same right click and extract to whichever it's convenient. See new file and see you all 50 MB files is over here. While sharing on Google Drive, WinZip is the best format to share to everyone. Thank you.